All right, mindful gang. Let's find out whether or not you're the side chick. All right, let's do this.
Like a boss.
All right, ladies. Let's talk about 10 signs that you are the side chick. I'm sorry if I'm going too hard on you guys today, man, but um, there are side chicks out there today, and they're hurting. Okay, so I need to make a video about that because I cater to everybody, all of my female fans. It's not easy being a side chick. I mean, goddamn. I mean, what do you tell your friends? I mean, fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like, your girlfriend's telling you how Jake, like fucking, bought her flowers, or how Tyrone fucking did this shit, or how like Tyson did this shit, or like how Shen, fucking Deshaun did that shit. You know what I'm saying, like or how Bob did this. Like you could feel a little envious, right? And that's why some women don't like being a side chick. But let's talk about 10 signs that you are the side chick, and I'm gonna make a video after this on how to stop being the side chick. So after this video, I'm gonna post how to stop being the side chick, okay? Because I'm here to help you guys not be the side chick, okay? All right, let's. By the way, ladies, I have a 50%, 20% of my courses only today. So check out the description down below for the coupon code. And my seminar is next week in New York City, and I have other seminars on the description down below. Like in Toronto, just keep checking the description down below. The first sign that you're the side chick is if you're watching this. If you're watching this, you are the side chick. Let's just put it out there. The second thing is that he never takes you out on dates. Right? He never takes you out. He took you once, right? Or before you have sex, right? But after you have sex with him, he didn't take you out on dates. He may take you to the bodega. He may take you to get something, but he doesn't take you out on like a dinner date. He doesn't take you out on like a romantic date. There's no romanticism behind you guys, right? The third one is that you never met his friends, right? You never met his friends. You never met them. He never introduced you to his friends, and he never took up the chance to meet your friends, right? Or he never even took the invitation for him to hang out with you and your friends. Okay, so that's one thing. So that you never met his friends. The fourth thing is that you only see him during the booty call hours, which is at night. All right, or let's just say his booty call hours is in the morning. So for some people like me, right, you only see him in the morning, right? So when you only see him at night or at a certain time during booty call hours, you're the side chick, girl. You're the side chick, and I don't give a fuck if he cuddles with you for a few minutes and stuff like that. Some guys do courtesy cuddles. You know what I'm saying? Courtesy love, right? That don't mean that he's really, really liking you. That just means he's doing his due diligence so that you don't get mad. Like, you know what I'm saying? He's like, all right, put this off. Let's check this off, right? And that's just how it is. I mean, it sounds cruel, but the fifth thing is that there's no social media evidence of you guys being together. He doesn't follow you sometimes, right? When it's if it's me, I don't follow you, or you guys never post together photos, or he never lets you take photos with him, or he never lets you post stories together. You see what I'm saying? He never lets you do that. The sixth thing is you are emotionally distant. He's emotionally distant with you. All right, you can sense there's no emotion there. There's like more seriousness to his face, right? Maybe that's more with me, to be honest with you. I could be a little cold with people, but generally speaking, when you're just a side chick, there's emotional distance between both of you guys. The seventh one is that he moves up the dates and sometimes even flat out flakes on you, right? That means that when he meets at 9, he says he's gonna meet you at 10, or sometimes even moves it up. Why? Because he's seeing another girl. That's why. He might be seeing a new girl, and he's putting you at the last date. Why? Because he wants to make sure that he has pussy at the end of the night. So he's gonna go out with the new girl. If the new girl doesn't give it up to him, he's gonna go out with you that night. He might even see you. You might even see him being a little tipsy, right? Some people out there are fucking crazy, man. I just think back of something right now. It's just crazy. Some people, man. So yeah. Oh, he even flat out flakes on you, and why? Because he met a new girl. Right? He met a new girl, or he's with his main chick, right? The point is that when you're the main chick, he barely flakes on you. When you're the main chick, that barely happens, right? But when you're the side chick, that happens a little more often than not. The eighth thing is that he has limited time for you. You don't get to see him every single day. There's limited time. You only see him at a specific time, right? No more, no less. The ninth thing is after a while, after a month of dating, there's no labels. He might, and the thing is about side chicks, and is that some guys make you feel like you're progressing, right? They make you feel like you're progressing. They make you feel like you're getting up there. You're doing a good job. Just give me a few more weeks, man. No, when there's no label, after like a few months, if there's no label, after like 6 or 7 months, if he doesn't even bring it up, girl, you're the side chick. And the last thing is that if you don't see him on Valentine's Day, he might text you. But if you don't see him on Valentine's Day, you're the side chick. Simple as that. I mean, that is the ultimate test. The ultimate test. On Valentine's Day, if he doesn't text you, or if he doesn't text you, you're done. I mean, goddamn. I mean, fuck. You're the back chick. But if he doesn't text you on if he just texts you on Valentine's Day, you're the side chick. You know, it is what it is. It's just part of life, man. Not everyone gets to be who they want to be. So you're the side chick this time, man. And that's part of life. That is a part of life. All right. So it is what it is, unfortunately. And those are the 10 signs that you're the side chick, ladies and gentlemen. And if you are one of these signs, it's okay. We've all been there, you know. So it's you don't need to cry about it. You got my channel, and you can get over it. All right. It's not like you're alone. Okay. All right, ladies. Peace out. Put the tissue down. Stop crying, and you guys have a great day. Take care. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week. Fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are one, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.